Look at the person next to you. Look at their face, their eyes, the way they talk. Now, imagine if everything you see is a lie. We always thought the AI revolution would be a war of robots against humans. We expected metal machines and laser fire, but we were wrong. The takeover is much quieter. It is happening inside your phone. It is happening in your headphones. Right now, a digital ghost is learning your voice. It is mapping the unique curves of your face. It doesn't need to kill you to replace you. It only needs your data. In less than 60 seconds, your entire identity can be stolen, packaged, and sold. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is a silent pandemic. And you are the primary target. Welcome to the age of the digital doppelganger. Welcome to Aether Alibi. Let's go to Hong Kong, January 2024. A high-level financial worker receives an urgent email. It's from the company's chief financial officer, the CFO. The email invites him to a secret video conference call about a multi-million-dollar transaction. The worker joins the call. He sees the CFO. He sees his other colleagues. They look real. They sound real. They even discuss private office matters. The CFO gives a direct order. Transfer $25 million to this account immediately. The worker doesn't hesitate. Why would he? He saw their faces. He heard their voices. He sent the money. 200 million Hong Kong dollars vanished into the digital void. Days later, he mentioned the call to the real CFO. The CFO looked at him with total confusion. There was no meeting. There was no transaction. Every single person on that video call, except the clerk, was a deepfake. Scammers had used old footage to build digital puppets. They performed a $25 million heist without ever stepping foot in the building. If a trained professional can be fooled by his own boss, what chance do you have? But it's not just about corporate money. It's about our families. In Arizona, Jennifer DeStefano picked up a call from an unknown number. She heard her 15-year-old daughter sobbing. "Mom, these bad men have me. Help me." Then, a man's voice took over. He claimed he had kidnapped her daughter. He demanded $1 million. Jennifer was terrified. She knew that voice. It was her daughter's pitch, her daughter's panic, her daughter's soul. But her daughter was safe in her bed. The kidnappers had used an AI voice cloner. They only needed a 3-second clip of the girl's voice from a TikTok video to recreate her entire personality. This is the new weapon of the digital age. Your voice is no longer your own. It is a file that can be downloaded. Criminals are targeting parents and the elderly, using the voices of loved ones to bypass logic and strike directly at the heart. Where does this technology come from? Deep in the shadows of the dark web, a new market is opened. They don't just sell passwords anymore. They sell identities. Scammers can now rent deepfake as a service. For a few dollars, anyone can take your social media photos and create a digital version of you. These avatars can pass biometric security, open bank accounts, and ruin your reputation. And it's spreading. In Hollywood, actors are being replaced by digital versions of themselves. In offices, AI assistants are replacing human voices. We are becoming too expensive and too unpredictable. Why hire a human when a perfect digital copy never sleeps, never complains, and never ages? The mirror is no longer reflecting you. It is reflecting a product that looks just like you, but is hollow inside. Is there any hope? As we head into 2026, experts say 90% of the internet will be synthetic. We are living in a digital hall of mirrors. To survive, you must change your habits. Start using safe words, a secret word known only to your family. If you get a suspicious call, ask for the code. If the AI ghost can't answer, you'll know the truth. Stay skeptical. Every video, every voice, every image must be questioned. Authenticity is now our most valuable currency. The takeover isn't coming with a bang. It's coming with a whisper. A whisper that sounds exactly like you. Stay human. Stay alert. If you want to stay one step ahead of the digital shadows, subscribe to Aether Alibi. We look into the secrets the machines don't want you to know.